kitchen. It's my dog Champ. Let's call him in. Hey Champ, do you want to help me with some science?
Science? Science? Yeah, science could be fun.
Yeah, science. I love science.
So, what are we doing today, Mom? What are we doing?
I have a question for you.
Yeah. I like questions.
What kind of consumer are you?
I don't know. I don't go to the store and buy things.
No, that's not what I mean. I mean consumer. You know, like consumers have to depend on other animals or plants for their food.
I depend on you. Does that make me a consumer?
Yes. Let's talk a little bit more about that.
Okay, but I don't understand. Can you explain consumers?
There are 3 types of consumers.
Okay, so I am 3. Can I be all of them? Please. Can I be all 3?
No, let's find out though.
Okay, then tell me, which one am I?
Well, let's find out. First one, herbivores. They eat mostly plants, like carrots, or squash, maybe even some cabbage and apples.
Ooh, I like those. I must be
Herbivore. Yes, you do eat apples sometimes. That's the snack you love.
Oh, yes, I love apples.
Okay, now the second one is a carnivore.
Rawr!
Arr. Okay, so carnivores eat mostly meat.
I love meat. My food is meat, and I love meat. Mom, can we have some meat, please?
I know, you could eat meat all day, couldn't you?
Please, can we have some now, please?
Not yet. We'll wait till we're through talking to the kids.
Oh, please, can we have some ham? Ham, please, ham.
I know, you love ham, you love any kind of meat. Let's talk about the next one, which is omnivore. Omnivores eat both plants and meat.
Wait, that's me. I eat both.
I think you got it. I think that is you.
I love being an omnivore.
Wait a second. Omnivore.
Omnivore.
Now say it together. Omnivore.
Omnivore.
Okay, I think you'll get it. But yes, you like to eat both plants and animals. So dogs, omnivore.
Wait. You said I eat animals?
Some. You know, when you eat meat, that is from another animal.
Why?
Not another dog.
Oh, okay.
Not even cats.
Okay. I do like to chase cats, though. Does that count? Does it?
Not really.
Okay, so I am an omnivore.
Yes, you're an omnivore. My question to you, what kind of consumer are you?
Oh, the people at home? Are you an omnivore like me?
Maybe. We'll let them find out.
Are there people who only eat meat or only eat vegetables?
I think so, but most humans can eat meat or plants.
So I am an omnivore and you are an omnivore, so Mom, that means we are the same! We both eat plants and meat. We're in the omnivore family. Ooh, omnivore family. We eat both plants and meat.
Thanks, Champ. I'm going to finish up the lesson, then I'll get your snack. Okay, I have a challenge for you at home. All we need for this is a piece of paper and something to write with. Now let's fold it into thirds. Great! Let's think of all the animals that would fit into these categories. Herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. How many did you think of? This is my list. But wait, I see something that I need to change. Do you see it? Do you see the frog? This is not in the right place. We better move it right here. He's a carnivore. many of these did you come up with? Did you find more? Today we learned that humans and dogs are both omnivores, along with a lot of other animals. But not all animals are omnivores. Some are herbivores, that means they only eat plants, and some are carnivores, they're meat eaters only.
Rawr.
Wasn't it fun learning about consumers today? Glad all of you omnivores tuned in today.